So today's offering, this is how I found this outside my front door. Someone has sent, I mean, they are so sharp, it's unbelievable. Someone has sent this in just a bag. I mean, wrap it in tissue paper. I don't know if it's becoming a joke now. I don't know if people watch my videos and they think that's that bloke will send him this really crappily wrapped. Or what. Anyway, so I just couldn't believe it. Luckily it was Hermes. And the Hermes driver comes in nearly every day. Nice bloke. Maybe this fell out in the van and he figured out, hey, that's for him. That's for the spanner. No. Anyway, this is a 12-inch Stanley. Unlike the Facom, it has got a screw, but it's been cleaned over, so in two places. So I'm not going to try and get that out. I mean, that's too clean anyway, isn't it? That's so sharp, I don't think it's been used. 12-inch Stanley. Can't even remember the price. Shall I look it up? Shan't I? I'll tell you what, I'll make you wait to the end. Alright? Now, push that up there. We're going to the realms of the tool addict now with this one. This, I might have already done it, don't know. This is a bit like what Ben collects. Now, Ben collects Bahcos, as we know. Now, there's a Bahco number 82. Nice and straight, as we see. In fact, I mean, I've got another one there. They're quite common, really, Bahco 82s. Have I sold one? No, I've got one. I mean, Bahco 82s are everywhere. I don't know, I think perhaps Ben can't afford to collect the rare ones and he just collects the common old Bahcos. I don't know his personal situation. But, you know, maybe he should go in for the rarer spanners. Like Squirrel and stuff like that. Yeah. Other one, look, there's my other Bahco number 82. So they are quite common, these straight edge Bahcos. I think he's having you on of his videos about how rare they are, and you know, they're everywhere. Everywhere you look, well, they are in my workshop anyway. Right, that's quite an old. I've got to clean this because this is quite an old one. Yeah, it's got the pat number on as well. Not many have the pat number on. Right. So this isn't a Bahco. Don't know why I got in a Bahco. Is it? Oh yeah, the straight edge. This is a Kongsberg number 83, which is a 12-inch, and it's in. It doesn't say made in. It says Simid Stahl. And it's got a little K with a crown on at the end. Might have to clean this up very shortly. I think I want to stick this in the deoxido before I do, because I want to get in all the awkward places with it. Right, so this wasn't made in Sweden even. This was made in Norway. Just over the border to the Bahco factory, funnily enough. But let's get one of them back. You can see how incredibly similar they are. I'm thinking people in England will get this, but people in America probably won't. You know the Twix factory where the brothers broke off on the advert? I think this is the same. Right. That's that. Moving on. Don't know what I've got because I'm opening as I go. Now this is quite a rarity again. A Carl, little Carl, this one. Made a 6th, 1913, the patent date on this. But as we know, I mean, that could have been a few more years on after that. And, I mean, if I was going to have you over with the old restoration, I could do the chuck it in the air, couldn't I, like this, yeah? And then go, oh, there it is. But that would be a con, because I've got two of them. So, the special thing about these, you see that's a nice smooth edge, and that opens up to 1.5 inches, right? 1.5 inches, normal adjustable spanner. Turn it around that way, and now we got the pipe wrench, you see? So, pipe wrench, adjustable spanner the other way. Quite handy, you like them. Getting like Ben, I was thinking to myself, it would look better in 3D if I had two of them on the wall. It would come out more at you. So, that's that. Now, what I actually thought is, for £12.50, I couldn't let it go. I can clean it and maybe stick about £8 on top of it. £8's £8, isn't it, nowadays? In a year's time, we'll be saying £8 a COVID injection, I don't know. And they start charging us all for them when the previous year's one's worn off. This is made by, I can't say it, it's Swedish, yeah. It's that company before Bahco. Anyway, so that's quite nice, isn't it? That's one of these double nut things that we see Ben showing us. Put a nut in and adjust it down, you see, to the different sizes. It tells you the sizes there. I think that'll clean up well. I might give this one a special finish. I might use some black bitumen or something on this, make it stand out a bit. And then this I bought because, well, we all know the Old Faithful brand, don't we? And I've never seen a Faithful adjustable spanner. She's done in the style of a Bahco, I think. Oh, an Ergo Bahco, I don't know. Anyway, they're totally pointless because you don't get no nuts that shape, but quite nice to look at, aren't they? And looking at the dirt colours, this was made on the 0214. I'm going to guess that weren't 1914. Oh, bit of damage there, bit of banging. But looking at the way the colours are, I might do this in, you know, super blue. That bit in there, and in there, and I don't want to take the Faithful off. That's the trouble. Got to be a little bit careful when I clean this one, haven't I? So that's quite nice as well, isn't it? This is an accumulation of a couple of days because, well, I mean, oh, hang on, there's another one there. Fucking. This is maybe I should leave it there. Yeah, fuck it, I'll leave it there. So that's the days, alright? I'll leave these and make another video tomorrow. Well, now, but you won't see it till tomorrow. Or a week's time, whenever I release it. Alright. Bye for now.